Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on Linux. Many people love this fast-paced, rhythm-based platformer, and you don't have to miss out just because you're on a Linux operating system. We'll cover the essential steps to get you up and running smoothly. This process typically involves using a compatibility tool, which makes Windows games playable on your system. It's a straightforward method that most users can follow with ease. The key to playing Geometry Dash on Linux is using a compatibility layer like Proton or Wine. Proton, developed by Valve, is integrated directly into Steam and is often the most user-friendly option for Steam games. Alternatively, Wine provides a broader compatibility solution for various Windows applications. For Steam users, enabling Steam Play and selecting a Proton version is usually the quickest path to success, requiring just a few clicks in your settings. Once you have your compatibility layer ready, the installation is very simple. If you're using Steam, navigate to your Steam settings, find the Steam Play section, and enable it for all supported titles. Then, choose a stable Proton version, like Proton Experimental, from the drop-down menu. After that, simply install Geometry Dash from your Steam library. The game should then launch directly from Steam, just like any other game on your system, providing a seamless experience. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Always make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. This is crucial for optimal performance. If you encounter any issues, consult ProtonDB, a community-driven website offering reports and specific settings for many games. Sometimes, simply trying a different Proton version can resolve compatibility problems. Finally, if all else fails, verifying the integrity of your game files through Steam can often fix minor corruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.